As businesses outgrow legacy 10G networks, understanding the modern Ethernet ladder is crucial for cost-effective scaling. This guide from Network Switch Official explains why 25G has replaced 40G as the preferred default for server access, offering higher port density and a more efficient operational model. While 10G remains a staple for budget-conscious edge links, it increasingly acts as a bottleneck for virtualization and cloud-based workloads. The article highlights that the transition to 25G and 50G building blocks, aggregated by a mature 100G backbone, provides a streamlined path for phased upgrades. By aligning with these standards, SMBs can minimize cabling complexity and lower the cost per bit of their infrastructure. Whether managing a small office or a growing campus network, adopting the 25G to 100G roadmap ensures your hardware investment remains compatible with future innovations, providing the stability and bandwidth necessary for long-term business growth and operational simplicity.